Oh man, let's cook like a caveman tonight, folks. I'll tell you what. Oh, the caveman. 1,500 degrees. This thing gets to 1,500 degrees. And I'll tell you what, this has changed the way I cook because I can do burgers like just like that. So we're going to put some burgers on here tonight. It's one of those nights where I don't have a lot of time, and this thing saves me time. The caveman saves me time. So I'll tell you what, let's go take a look at those burgers, and then let's see, can we really do burgers in about 2 minutes? Huh? Stay tuned, you'll find out. Oh man, there's our burgers. Prime rib burgers, really? I got these I walked through Walmart today and saw these. I said, yeah, prime rib. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 of those. We'll get some nice brioche buns. Just a little salt and pepper on them, and then onto the caveman we go. All right, folks, just put the burgers on. Like I said, about a minute aside. We'll give you another look-see. All right, coming up on a minute, and you can see it is cooking like crazy in there, and it's flaring up, and then you can see all the sizzling going on here. I mean, it is. You don't want to put your hand too close; it gets too dang hot. So let's get it out of there, turn it over, flip it 180, and then I tell you what. Let's give you. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty impressive. So give it a quick flip, turn it 180, and we'll get it back on. All right, just turn them over, did a 180, and I'll put the hot one toward the front, the back one, at the back, the front one at the back one at the front, and we'll give them about another minute, give you a look-see. All right, I'll tell you, this thing is just awesome. I just love this thing. I can't believe how hot it cooks. 1,500 degrees, folks. Look at that. I mean, that's perfect burgers right there. I mean, that's just awesome. So I could probably give them another flip, and they're probably pretty raw in the middle. So I'm gonna probably go down a little bit low, like this. Just cook them for a minute or two, just to make sure that I'm getting them cooked all the way. So stay tuned. I'll show you how fast we can brown up buns on this. All right, like I said, we're on the low rack here. Now let's see what we can get here for temp. And you can see we are in the back there at the 400 mark, right around there. And that's good. That's good for heating things up. Like I said, a minute both sides, seared them off. But we all know that's going to be rare in the middle, more rare than we want it. So let's cook them a little bit, and then we'll, like I said, we'll sear off those buns. It's just seconds to make the. You can't look at that. As you're watching, it's turning black. So let me get it out. Second shelf down. We'll watch that. You want to watch it because it's going to cook really, really fast, and you can see it's starting to brown. Look at the edges. Look at that. That's how hot this thing. That's 1,500 degrees right there, folks. That's what does it. Get it out of there. Look at that. You saw it like I did. So let's take a look-see at the final product. Oh man, pickles and ketchup. Folks, I'll tell you what, remember how fast that was? Like 10 seconds. Let's take a look at our burgers here. 2-minute burgers. That is medium. That is perfect. That's awesome, folks. The Caveman. Folks, if you haven't checked this out, Menards, www.menards.com. I'll leave the link down below for 120 bucks. 1,500 degrees. Definitely worth it. Tom Horseman YouTube. Folks, please subscribe. If, leave a comment, thumbs up, and as always, can't say it enough. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.